I think there's a real concern of a global recession at this point.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
absolutely.
like
I
with
mean,
the
that's the
oil,
big,
I mean, there's going to be a lot of places that just on the oil alone, they're going to be on that. I mean, there's a few countries that benefit.
Right.
We don't know how bad it's going to be.
Well, in general, it's best to spread if you still have a lot of exposure, to spread your cells out over time. At this point, even if we do hit bottom here, we need time because we've come down so sharply off the top. There's no way that I could see this market just ripping back up to new highs in a short period of time. It needs a back and forth, base building. And there's two things going on. So the coronavirus was one thing, and that, you could have thought as, once people wrap their heads around it, that, it's really only impacting people that, are at risk, elderly, or, if you have HIV or something horrible like that, those people versus, the younger, healthier people don't have to be concerned about it. At some point, that wave was going to hit, and we weren't going to worry about that, whether it was days, weeks, or months. But now this oil thing on top of it, really, as someone mentioned, it's kind of like a perfect storm. So
right.
we need time is the only thing that is going to heal this. So if you're going to, if you didn't do enough selling, you can sell some now, some midday, some at the end of the day. And that way, in case it's one of these things where it just rips up, maybe, Washington comes out with a plan of, huge stimulus, package and it pushes the market up, that you haven't sold everything at the lows.